Good morning, guys. We are at the flea market. I have wandered off by myself, just looking at some stuff here. So far, Sydney has found some Patagonia and some Miss Me, $1 each. Casey looked upon some Lily Pulitzer pants, $1 each. And I got White House Black Market, new with tags, and a cut from the cloth pair of jeans. And we've all just kind of broken off on our own to do our own thing for a little bit. I just kind of wanted to give you a look at this flea market. You could buy beer here. That's such a weird thing for me to see. It's not something normal. But there I am. Good morning, everybody. Casey's playing all these claw machines and you won me a prize.
Good.
Plushy girl got herself a new alligator from Florida. We are at Denny's, having a quick bite to eat after the flea markets, and then we're going to head over to a couple thrift stores and see what we can find, see what we can get into. But I have my Florida gators. We are on our way to our tour. We are on our way to our tour.
In the garage earlier. Oh my god, that was freaky. I was like, with people getting murdered, light goes on.
Is this the front of the building? Yeah. Woo! Guys, we have just started tour number 2 on Saturday night.
We have nothing planned. Oh, hi. Sorry.
Our tour guide up front up there is really awesome so far. We just got our introduction and he's leading us on our places.
Welcome to the back of the Huguenot Cemetery, as it's called. It's called the Huguenot Cemetery to sell more postcards, to be honest, and not sound so gruesome. This cemetery's got a really bad history about it, and it starts in 1821 when we become a U.S. territory. Within 3 months, this town will be decimated in a disease that I will talk about a little bit later. But for right now, it necessitates a problem. During that time, 1/3 of the people in St. Augustine will actually die. They die because the Spanish that are leaving here going to Havana actually charter 2 ships, the Florida and the Alexander. The Florida, loaded with people and with furniture, heads for Havana. The Alexander leaves the next day. A week later, the Florida comes back, and it talks about a strange disease going on in Havana, or yellow fevers. We would find out that it actually was many years later. William and Elizabeth and his wife were not Catholic.